Do you want to go for a walk in the rain? Or do you want to just go out front and go pee? You want to go back to sleep? I know you're so sleepy. You smiley girl. It's not raining too hard. It's sprinkling. A little bit of a drizzle. Do you want to try and go for a little bit of a walk? You can wear your rain jacket. Hi. You want to get out and walk? She's turning around to go home, but we're going this way. This way. This way. I carried her up here into the middle for shelter from the trees. So I'm hoping she'll walk a little bit so that she'll pee some. She doesn't seem to want to walk at all. She's just kind of standing there. Oh, and she's turning around trying to go home again. But it's the same distance going the other way. Oh my god. A little bit. Careful. And she's turning around. I give up. You can ride in the stroller the rest of the way. She wants no part of it at all. There you go. So the walk didn't go well at all. She didn't like it, and she's cold again because it's so wet and damp. I mean, that's the same thing. It's so cold and damp. Well, I just put the blanket on her, but now she's getting down. No, she's all cuddled in now. All cuddled in.